Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. I would like you to use a new tool called SketchUp for Schools. I'd love to add it through the App Store, but it does not work that way at my school district. So what we're going to do is type SketchUp for Schools. When you press Enter, I need you to scroll down and find the one that says SketchUp for Schools G Suite Marketplace. When you click it, at least at my district, it's already enabled, so all you have to do is hit Launch, and this will add it to your Chrome apps bar. Once it loads, you'll be able to do the tour. I cannot do the tour because my district blocks Vimeo. So I'm going to click Start Modeling, and then we need to create the special folder where we save things. So I want you to simply click a new tab, switch to your Google Drive. I would like you to click New and choose Folder, and we need a place to put all of our files, and I would like you to type SketchUp so that it is created. Once you've got your folder created, you can go back to SketchUp, and now you are ready to find my tutorials and start your first design. This design can be created on your web browser or also a Chromebook or other mobile device. And once you've done it on your mobile device, then the next day on your apps, you will be able to see the SketchUp program. Before you start the tutorials, I'll give you one warning. When you make changes in SketchUp, it has a save icon. Make sure you do save because it does save to the cloud, but it does not save automatically. So, thanks for watching and have fun with the tutorials.